Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to this channel in the class. Today we're going to learn about how to exporting mobile apps from Replit. Yesterday we have learned about creating application on your Replit by using Python language. And today I will show you how to exporting mobile apps from Replit into iOS or Android. A step-by-step guide to accessing your apps on mobile devices. Introduction to exporting mobile apps. Purpose of exporting apps. Exporting mobile apps ensures they are accessible on various devices, improving user experience and potential audience reach. It allows developers to share their creations directly with users, enhancing feedback and iterations through real-world usage. Overview of Replit. Replit is a collaborative online IDE that supports a variety of programming languages, making it simple for users to build and share applications. Its hosting capabilities allow for effortless deployment, enabling immediate access to apps on mobile devices. Types of mobile apps. Mobile apps generally fall into three categories: web apps, native apps such as Android and iOS, and hybrid apps. Each type has distinct processes for exporting, influencing the choice of deployment and development strategy. Exporting web apps. Ensuring mobile responsiveness. To ensure mobile responsiveness, design your web app using CSS media queries or framework like Bootstrap. This approach adapts the layout to different screen sizes, improving user experience across devices. Deployment web app on Replit. Deployment your web app on Replit is straightforward. Click the Run button in Replit to host your project, and it will generate a unique URL for your live app, ready for public access. Accessing app on mobile browser. Once deployed, access your web app on mobile browsers like Safari or Chrome. Simply enter the generated URL and your app will be operational on any smartphone, enhancing accessibility. Making the app installable for iOS and Android. To make your web easily accessible, implement Progressive Web App or PWA features. Users can add the app to their home screen on both iOS and Android, ensuring quick access without going through the browser. Exporting native app Android and iOS. Preparing your Android project ensures that your Android project is complete and free of errors. verify that all code is correct and all necessary libraries are included before moving on the export process. Downloading project from Replit. From your Replit project, click the three dots to access the menu. Select Download as zip to get the complete project files saved to your local machine for further development. Setting up Android Studio. Install Android Studio on your computer if it's not already installed. Open Android Studio and either create a new project or use an existing one to paste the code from your Replit project. Building the APK. In Android Studio, navigate to the Build menu and select Build APK. This process compiles your project into an APK file, which can be installed on Android devices. Installing APK on Android device. To install the generated APK, enable developer options on your Android device. Connect the device to your computer and use Android Studio to install or transfer the APK for direct installation. Preparing your iOS project. Ensure your iOS project is complete and ready for deployment. Review code written in Swift or Objective-C and confirm all components are correctly configured for it. Downloading project from Replit. Download your iOS project by selecting Downloading as zip from the Replit interface. This action saves all necessary files to your local machine for Xcode integration. Setting up Xcode. Install Xcode on your Mac. If not already installed, create a new iOS project or access an existing one to integrate files downloaded from your Replit project. Building the IPA. In Xcode, navigate to the Product menu and choose Archive to generate an IPA file. This file format is necessary for deploying your app to iOS devices. Installing IPA on iPhone. Use Xcode to install the IPA directly onto your iPhone by connecting it to your Mac. Alternatively, upload the IPA to TestFlight for distribution or testing purposes. Using Expo for React Native. Installing Expo Go. To use Expo for your React Native app, install the Expo Go application from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. This app allows you to run your project directly on your mobile device without the need for complex setups. Running app in Replit. Once your app is developed in Replit, run it using the environment provided by Replit. This step makes the app available for preview and ensures it runs correctly before testing on a device. Scanning QR code with Expo Go. After running your React Native app in Replit, a QR code will appear in the console. Scan this QR code with Expo Go to access and test your mobile app instantly on your phone, allowing for rapid feedback. Building standalone APK or IPA. For developers wanting a standalone app, Expo provides a build service to generate APK for Android and IPA for iOS files. Simply run the build command and after processing, download the final package for installation on devices. I hope you understand what I am saying. If you have any question about exporting mobile apps from Replit, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.